Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered why your skin suddenly gets red, itchy, or bumpy for no obvious reason? You're not alone. I'm diving into a topic that affects so many of us: skin problems and allergies caused by everyday products. You might be surprised at what's hiding in your bathroom or kitchen that could be irritating your skin. Let's start with something super common: soaps and body washes. Sounds harmless, right? But many are packed with fragrances and harsh detergents. They can strip your skin's natural oils, leaving it dry and prone to irritation. If your skin feels tight or itchy after showering, your soap might be the culprit. Next up, laundry detergents. Those fresh scents? Often from added chemicals or dyes that linger on clothes and irritate sensitive skin. Rashes where clothes fit tight? Try fragrance-free or hypoallergenic detergent. Skincare and cosmetics. Lotions, creams, and makeup products can contain parabens or even nickel in some cases. These can trigger allergic reactions, redness, bumps, or blisters. Always patch test new products on a small area first. And don't forget about household cleaners. Bleach, ammonia, disinfectant sprays can cause contact dermatitis, especially without gloves. If your hands are getting dry, cracked, or itchy, your cleaning routine might need a tweak. Jewelry can be a problem too. Nickel is a common metal found in earrings, watches, and zippers. If you've ever noticed your skin turning red or itchy where metal touches, you might have a nickel allergy, so what can you do? Read labels. Look for fragrance-free or products for sensitive skin. Use gloves when cleaning and choose hypoallergenic products. If symptoms persist or you have a severe reaction, see a dermatologist. If this helped, share this video and subscribe for more. Take care of your skin. It's the only one you've got.